Well, guys, we're here on the Little Sac River this morning. Some dogs just got fired up by something. I was here 2 days ago, around 3 to 5. It was probably 75 degrees out. One might say perfect weather. I think the fish thought so too, because got about, I think it's conservative to say 25, maybe 30 white bass. Most of them not much bigger than my hand, but I caught a couple that, caught 3 that I kept. I was talking to my dad about it though, they might have been females. And the smaller ones might have all been males, but I don't know. So, but here we are this morning. Let's see if I can turn this around. 2 days later. It's a little cooler, but it's supposed to warm up here pretty quick. The water's low at the Little Sac, but it's still gorgeous. I had somebody pull up to me the other day while I was fishing here and told me around the bend near a flat rock a buddy of his caught a nice walleye using a red rooster tail. So we might do the same, or we might do something different, I'm not sure. But look at that river. Look at the steam coming off it. I guess you can call it steam or fog or whatever you want to call it, I suppose. But right now, higher 60s, I think, so. There's some stuff breaking the water a little bit. Maybe they're feeding. We'll find out. One cool thing when the water's low is seeing all these holes in the banks. There's a lot more of them. I figure the catfish, when the water's higher, hangs out in those. I'm sure other critters probably do too. Today was not a complete failure. Flailer. Little white bass. Nice. Number 2. Number 3, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh, that water's nice and warm. That water's nice and warm. Which is probably why it's steaming off the top. Because it's warmer in the outside air. That's just a theory, though. Ladies and gentlemen, a catfish. Tight lining. Shrimp. Beautiful fish. Tiny little guy. But I'm so thrilled.
I am so thrilled.